Hey guys, and welcome back to the third part of the AI effects for Vadoo AI. If you haven't seen the last two videos, then you've missed out on 10 AI effects, so be sure to check them out. So for this video, we'll be looking at 360 rotation, banned in places, that'll be an interesting one, angry, animal documentary, and assassinate. Okay, so let's check out 360 rotation. The default AI video model is WAN 2.1 LoRa for this AI effect. Now there's a new option for this AI effect, and if we go to settings, you can choose the quality, which default is 480p, and we can have it as 720p, and it does go up an extra 30 credits. We can choose the speed from medium to high, and on high it does go up another 30 credits, so we'll leave it as medium but on a higher resolution. So for the rotating AI effect, I'm going to choose this teacup here because I think that will look good rotating. We'll go to apply, and that has been applied there. I've just added in the prompt, the teacup rotates 360 degrees, and now we can generate. Alright, and here is the video. So the teacup is rotating, but so is the table. So if we added in the prompt, only rotate the teacup, it probably would do that. When it comes around here, it looks like it's got two handles, but I always say the better the input, the better the output. For the next AI effect, we have abandoned places. Now I'm really not sure how this is going to come out, and I'm not getting much here from the example. Perhaps if you add in a house, the forward zoom effect will be what is applied, so we will try that. So I've got this very oldie woldy cottage which actually looks a bit abandoned and even haunted, and let's apply that, and we'll just leave it on 480p because this is just an example of what the AI effects can do, and for me to show you them, we'll hit generate. A prompt was requested for this particular AI effect, so I've added in the cottage is abandoned and haunted. Now we can generate, and it says we have an internal server error, which doesn't usually pop up. So I'm just going to refresh the page and try again. Okay, here's the video. Okay, so it's coming at a 360 angle here. I thought it was going to go straight forward, so maybe it just kind of zooms around or zooms in, depending on what prompt you apply, and it's actually captured the side here really well. It's got similar trees, the architecture is pretty much the same, so actually I'm really impressed with that. For the next AI effect, we're going to be looking at the angry effect. So we've applied that. Let's grab an image. I've got this image here of a very happy lady, and I thought as it's an angry AI effect, this would be perfect. Let's apply that, and we can put in here a happy lady. Let's go to generate, and guys, here it is. Let's check it out. So she's laughing, now she's angry, now she's like a shocked, and then she's even more angry. So they've captured the face and the emotions really well. All the movements of the arms are excellent. Really impressed by that one. Okay guys, the next AI effect is animal documentary. Now we're going to use this image of a swan, go to apply, we'll leave the settings as they are and generate. Okay, let's see how this video came out. So the swan is swimming, and it's actually captured the details really well. The swan's moving around a little bit, its feathers are moving, the water is gently moving, and it's even got that back kind of motion from where the swan is swimming and the water effect, so I'm really impressed by that actually. So the last AI effect that we're going to be looking at for this video is assassinate. Now you can see there that this demonstration has a bat-like thing, turns into some kind of vampire type creature. I'm not quite sure, but let's add an image. I've got this one for a cat because I think that would be quite fitting. Let's go to apply and go to generate. I did have to add a prompt, so I've put a nasty cat that turns into an assassin. Okay, here's the video. Let's check it out. So the cat has morphed into this cat. It's not as fluent as I thought it would be. It kind of just comes out from the cat's bum by the looks of it. And it's got 2 guns. So it's definitely a badass cat, but it's not quite what I envisioned. Maybe the image wasn't so good. So I reckon that'll do better with a better image and even a decent prompt. Okay guys, so that's it for this video on the third part of AI effects. On the next video, we'll be looking at more AI effects such as Baby It, Boxing, Bride It, Cakeify, which is very popular on platforms, Cartoon Jaw Drop. So some of those look really good, and we have a few more to go through, but it's really fun to see what kind of effects you can add to your videos. And guys, if you're interested in Vadoo AI, here are the subscription packages. You can get it for as low as $19 a month. Then for Pro, it's $39. And Advanced is $69. And I have a special 10% coupon, which I'll leave in the description below. And you may notice that for the first month of starter, you get 50% off, 40% off the Pro. And because I'm on the current plan, I can't see it, but I would imagine you get a certain percentage of that as well. And don't forget, what's really cool is you can buy top-up credits, which are non-expiring. Okay guys, I will see you on the next video.